RFK Jr. versus the Senate Finance Committee, Florida Surgeon General versus vaccine mandate, and medical groups versus none other than RFK Jr. again? Let's get into it. Good afternoon, everyone. It's Friday, September 5th, and here are some of the top healthcare stories from this week. During a tense Senate hearing on Thursday, HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. defended his decision to oust CDC Director Susan Monterez and faced questions on his agenda for vaccination and national public health policy. Kennedy charged that Monterez was lying about why she was pushed out of the agency, claiming that he never asked her to sign off in advance on vaccine recommendations from his newly created Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, or ACIP. He also repeatedly cited inaccurate numbers and gave evasive responses to simple queries from lawmakers, with one frustrated senator casting the cabinet head as, quote, ignorant. Meanwhile, Florida will work to end all vaccine mandates in the state, including for schools, the state's controversial Surgeon General Dr. Joseph Ladapo announced on Wednesday. Quote, people have a right to make their own decisions, informed decisions, Ladapo said during a press conference with Governor Ron DeSantis, likening the mandates to, quote, slavery. And finally this week, nearly 24 medical, public health, and patient organizations called on RFK Jr. to resign this week in order, quote, to ensure the health of the American people. In addition to IDSA and APHA, the statement's signatories include the American Association of Immunologists, the American Society for Virology, the American Academy of HIV Medicine, the Pediatric Infectious Diseases Society, and the American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. To read more on these stories and all of the other headlines from this week, check out MedPage Today and follow us on social media.